Welcome to Galactic Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that teaches children in rural communities astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Farida Semishia, and today I'll be presenting to you on Microsoft Office Suite. Microsoft is a global American company that deals with technology, with its history starting on the 4th of April, 1975. It was formed by the Harvard College dropout Bill Gates and his childhood friend Paul Allen. Microsoft has now become the biggest and most valuable software company in the world. The Microsoft Office Suite, also known as MS Office Suite, is a set of programs for common productivity tasks. The program includes a word processing program, a spreadsheet tool, presentation software, an email program, and many more. The core applications in the Microsoft Suite are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Publisher, and a few others. In conclusion, it will be of great benefit for individuals to master these softwares as it increases in productivity, saves time and effort, and gives global compatibility. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe us on all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.